This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 55 of building Robocop, the legendary cyborg. In this issue, we're not doing very much. We're doing some of the base, and it's a little bit different to the instructions show. I'm not entirely certain, but there we go, we'll figure it out. We've got couture, or ready to wear. Robocop's costume, source of difficulties, apparently. So, yeah, I'm not surprised. It was one hell of a costume, wasn't it? Jetpack, yeah, that was in Robocop 3. Not sure about the jetpack. So, yes, this is the base. We've already done half of the base, so we've got another half. We've got another little piece for the pelvis that we're not fixing as yet. I'll talk about this when I get to do the building part of this, which doesn't take very long anyway, but I'll show you that in a moment. And that's the base, obviously, almost completed. So Betty, the palace usher. Yep, use of robots and stuff. Meta materials. Interesting stuff, yeah, all futuristic stuff. Light can change their colour, pulse and thickness. So sort of like LEDs, but not really like differentiating materials. Interesting. Like filtering, but not. Yeah, new ways of making stuff. Obviously lighter and better. Adapting to the environment. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's see what I've actually got. Okay, so supplied in this pack, we've got the other half of the Robocop base, the piece that we're not doing anything with yet, and 4 screws. It does say, as you can see in the corner there, that we should have some metal rods and things, but there's nowhere to attach them on this, so I'm assuming that they've changed their mind in the build and not bothered with them. Yeah, this is what we've got from before, which has 3 of these connecting pieces in place, which line up now over those 3. We will be getting the 4th one at some point soon. Yeah, I mean, if it was just missing the metal pieces, then I can understand that maybe they were missing from the delivery. But as we're also missing anywhere to attach them, and the screws required to put them in place, I'm thinking that things have changed since they've done the build, and they're not necessary. I don't know that they're really that necessary anyway. But yeah, it does say on all of these builds, you know, parts are subject to change and things like that. So it doesn't surprise me that things have changed a little bit down the line. So I shall get these 3 in there, and now they're in there. Actually, I'm not going to tighten those up yet because it's still got that little bit of play to it. Actually, no, I'm going to get it in the right place, and then I can tighten down the ones from last time as well, which I didn't tighten down yet. So I'll get all of those tightened up, and then next time I think we're putting the last one in place on there. But we've got our Robocop base now basically ready. We've already got the pole, but we haven't actually got the clamp bit on it yet. We're going to be doing that at some point near future as well. But for now, that is all I've got to do on this part of the build. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.